trap. It's much too low. Shouldn't be that low. Which goes to the wall drain, which is connected to that T. That's the metal, which is metal, and then that's the vent pipe that should go up through the wall in a wall, which goes to the roof. The vent pipe has rotted away completely. And has to be replaced. That means, actually, this whole thing should be redone. I mean, but so since it's broken, we've got to glue the vent pipe from the top, where it's broken, all the way down to the T, and then I guess redo the trap.